If you're a beginner and you're asking yourself, can I be successful with high ticket affiliate marketing? Then the short answer is yes. Now, there's a lot of different programs out there that are going to be talking to you and showing you different strategies around high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, some companies are going to be talking to you about setting up funnels, running paid ads, adding friends on Facebook, posting in other people's Facebook groups to build your personal brand and to generate leads. But the strategy that I'd recommend for beginners is this one. Step number one is to set up and start a Facebook group. Understand who your ideal customer is, what their biggest pains or problems are that they are experiencing, and to share with them the outcome that they are wanting to achieve. And what I mean by that is the following. You need to clearly identify the pain or the problem that you can help people achieve. And if that is setting up a Facebook group, then you need to have a resource inside of your Facebook group that shows people how to set up and start their Facebook group. And then the people that are experiencing that problem are coaches, consultants, affiliates, and other small business owners. And when you're new, you need to get really specific about who you are talking to. Because if you don't know who you're talking to in your content, then no one is going to be listening to you. Because your content needs to be hooking the attention of your ideal customer. Your content needs to be talking about the pain or the problem that they are currently experiencing. Because when you talk about a pain or a problem that someone is experiencing, they are going to connect with you because that is the pain that they are experiencing. And in your content, you're wanting to talk about that feeling that you're now having, that you've been able to set up and start your own Facebook group. Because the people that are experiencing that pain, they want to see themselves in your shoes. So if you've set up and started a Facebook group, talk about your experiences inside of your own group. Talk about the feeling of how good it was that you've got your first lead, your first customer, your first client. Share that feeling in your content because you want to build a bridge for people from that feeling that they are currently experiencing to that feeling that you are now experiencing. And talk people through the process that you went through to get there. So talk about setting up your Facebook group. Talk about the type of content that you put inside of your group. Talk about the 3 questions that you added to the front of your private Facebook group. Talk about the resources that you added into the guide section. Talk about the conversations that you're now having inside of your group. Because that's one of the very first steps about building a profitable and successful Facebook group as an affiliate. So now that you've got your Facebook group set up, you know who your ideal customer is, what pain or problem that they are experiencing, and how you're going to help them solve that pain. You need to start creating content to bring them into your group. And this is where you're going to start talking about the resources and what's going on inside of your group. Tell people why they should be joining your group. Share with people the result that you help your clients achieve. So if you help your clients set up, start, and grow a Facebook group, start talking about that in your content. If you help your clients monetize their Facebook group, talk about that in your content. If you teach your clients how they can be paid 4-figure paydays from presenting a Google document so they don't have to jump on Zoom calls or fill up their calendars, then share that in your Facebook group. This is how you can become successful as an affiliate by using a Facebook group. When you got your Facebook group set up and you're creating content and people are coming over and joining your group, you're wanting to start having conversations with them. You're wanting to use Messenger to diagnose the problems that they are experiencing. You want to have some resources inside of your Facebook group to help them solve that problem that they are experiencing. And for you to start earning $500 per sale, then you need to have a $1,000 product inside of your group. That product, that course, that software is going to help people solve the problem that they are experiencing. Those problems that those people are experiencing could be creating short form video content, growing a Facebook group, creating content inside of their group, or closing sales. If you'd like to become an affiliate that teaches people how to create short form video content, how to grow a Facebook group, how to create content inside of your community that nurtures and converts the serious into buyers without you having to jump on any Zoom calls, set up any funnels, or run any paid ads, then you can smash the link down below in the description. Because I'd love to share with you a free training on how you can set up, start, and grow a Facebook group so you can become a successful affiliate marketer without having to add any friends on Facebook, send cold DMs, or jump on any Zoom calls.